Guys, I am on with, and I've been meaning to share this, and I've had a lot to share. Anyway, I think it was Tia that did the mystery box recently from B5 Designs. Hi, Tia, if you're watching. And she did hers a while back. Mine is at the Santa sale mystery box, or Santa mystery box, or whatever it was called. So anyway, it was $35, and that's free shipping, so that was pretty good. So I thought, well, she was happy with her, so I thought I'd give it a try, because, I have all of their stuff, so I was a little like, am they going to give me anything I don't already have? And darned if they didn't. So the first thing that I got from them, so it's a mystery box, and so you don't know, obviously, Good to Be Home. I do not have this one that I don't think I do anyway. Hopefully you can see this okay, sorry. Okay. Anyway. So it's got all of this in there, but let's look at it, because I don't have that. It's not a ton of stuff, but it's a lot of paper collections, which is nice. And when you get them on sale, they're usually $7.50. Otherwise, they're like $15, I think. So here you get the sticker sheet in these. So when we have each other, we have everything. That's for sure. But first, family, good stuff documented from me to you. I love these where you could just coordinate, and then they have these nice borders. Oh, these are just individual little houses. Okay, that's kind of a challenge for me. I can't. But I like this. Let me stand up. I can never see what I'm showing you. Home Sweet Home. Oh, I like this. It looks like that, but it's in little pieces. It looks like the tape thing used to, if I go like this, you'll know what it is, right? The little label maker. Kim, come on. And then this pretty scalloped border. Very pretty. So yeah, I don't bake pies. Why would I make a pie when Marie Callender can make it for me? I tried to make pie crust years ago when I was first married, and I was like, well, that didn't go well, and I've never done it since, which is kind of sad. I'm going to give myself practice makes perfect, right? But anyway, so there's this one. Good to Be Home backsplash bouquets. Kind of like the subdued colors, and they're always double-sided. This one's okay. Oh, good. I'm glad I didn't really like that, because this is the cut-aparts. Because, if you like the other side and you're cutting it apart, that's a bummer. Relax your home. Boy, oh, I like that. Stay cozy. Ooh, I like that. Love builds a happy home. Sorry. It does. I had a happy... Anyway, don't get me going. Oh, good. Like there was something, love never fails. I'm like, yeah, I felt like it did. Kind of felt the failure thing. But yeah, no, I'm very blessed to have my boys and my family. So don't get me wrong. I am blessed and I feel loved. Okay, enough of that. I'm just being kind of goofy. Oh, and cooking. Baking, I guess. Well, that's cute. So if you're into recipe books, albums, you could use this. Yeah. I've got it on top of something and it's sliding off. Sorry. Let me move stuff. I had everything working in my craft room, and then I started crafting down here, and it's a mess again. So there's this one. Oops, sorry. And oh, that's cute. Here's those little houses. That's adorable. And here's the cut-aparts. Yellow grid type. Not really a gingham, is it? Oh, I like that. Very pretty. So yeah, I'm happy with this. Pink. And then the stripes. You're getting a shadow effect here. Little wreaths. And then 6x4 journaling cards, it says. Hot and fresh out of the kitchen. Our house is a very, very, very fine house. Our house is a very, very... Anyway, that's a song from my era. I bet some of you were remembering that song. Family is everything. Ooh, I like this. So you could do these, cut these apart. There's that, and then, oh, look it, you can cut all these apart. But first, family, homegrown hospitality, love our home, life is so sweet. But first, I like that. Okay, this next one has 3x4 journaling cards. This side, and then this side. Very cute. I like it. There's that one, and then this side. Ooh, I like the yellow. I think yellow makes things kind of pop. So I like that set. That was called Echo Park Good to Be Home. Okay. And then they coordinated Good to Be Home. I got some puffy stickers, which is nice to go with it. So I'll put all of this in the little envelope or plastic thing that the collection came in. So yeah, right there is your, I think I have this one. It's kind of a Mary Poppins without saying it's Mary Poppins. And this is my favorite things. I may have this already. I don't know, but that's okay. It's a very pretty one. So yeah, I think I got because I got 1, 2, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4 collections and some chipboard and puffy stickers, so that's nice. This one has umbrellas and stuff on it that makes me think, I don't know if it's really supposed to be Mary Poppins, but pretty colors though. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's so spring. I'm ready. We are not getting snow here, I don't think, this year, which is a bummer, because I like at least a couple of days of snow, something. But I can't complain, because our weather has been fine otherwise. So this is kind of a linen feel to it. Oh, so kind of a British, what is that, a telephone? Oh, this goes with the books that I did. Sorry about the shadow. I don't get what that's about. Whatever. That pad that I got the other day at Michael's. My favorite things. Simple. Live simply. I just love those little bluebirds. That's so cute. Together is the best place to be. And some tea. Is it me saying? No. Cute. This reminds me of when I was growing up. This is the wallpaper in my bedroom. Oh, and umbrellas. I like that. Yeah, I'll have to look. I don't think I have this one, but I don't know. Maybe I do. I can't remember. Oh. Yes, very British. Got that car. There's this side. I like that. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. I really like it. So yeah, I'm very happy. Even if I have it, I don't mind having it twice, because, you know. Oh my gosh. Look at the colors. Oh, that is gorgeous. Tea. Cut aparts. Together is the best place to be. Practically perfect in every way. See, this looks like when you change the view from where you stood, the things you view will change for good. You were simply and utterly the best. Oh, goodness. This reminds me of my girls, my granddaughters. Vienna, not so much yet, but they just, what is it about little girls and tea parties? We don't drink tea in front of them around here. I don't drink tea. Their parents don't drink tea. But Emma and Tori both just love to have a tea party. I'm going to serve you tea now, Grandma. And I'm like, okay. So cute. Oh, look at that. My mother used to have a set that was kind of like that. She got in Europe back in the day. And, oh, this is pretty. Look at those hats. Very pretty. So that one is called My Favorite Things. And I have a lot of summer ones, but I don't think I have Here Comes the Sun. So if you're hanging in there, thanks. If you want to see. Okay. Oh my gosh. Cute, cute, cute. Yay, it's summer. A slice of summer. I do like summer. And I love how they do these borders. So much. So these are the stickers. Oh, I like that. That's good for a little girl page. And then the stripes. Oh, look at the little V-dub bug. Cute. And these big 4x6ers. Summer vibes. Yes, baby. Not ready for summer, but I wouldn't mind spring. My hands do not like this cold weather. I started taking Tylenol arthritis, and it slow releases, and that seems to really be helping. So if you are having some pain, that seems, because, I mean, the other night I was like, oh my god, I'm 63, almost 64 technically, but anyway, look at this. And I'm already in so much pain. How is this going to go in 10 years from now, or 20? Anyway, so while it's this cold, oh, look at these. These are so cute. The Tylenol slow release called arthritis. If anybody's suffering, I have ointments. I have it all. But boy, the other night, I finally just went to bed. My hands hurt so bad. So since then, much better. Oh, this looks like water. I didn't really understand. Oh my gosh. Well, you know that's my page. Look at that. So fun. Oh no, look at the strawberries. Hi Jen, strawberry cream. 39, 29, I can never remember. Jen has the best channel. She is so creative. And strawberry obviously is part of her name, title of her channel. So if you have not checked her out, I'll list her below. Always, if I mention somebody in a video, I try to link their channel. Help each other out, right? Oh, this is cute too. It's kind of like that other one. SPF Day. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at those. That's cute. Very cute. Ooh, I like the confetti. Yeah, this is a fun one. I like it. And here's all kinds of cut-aparts. Summer, relax, hip hip hooray, summer vacay, happy, hate, lazy, summer days. Yeah. Oh, look at the little lemonade stand. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. That's right. That's my motto. Sunny day floral. This almost looks like little tents or mountains. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's so pretty. Love it. Okay. So that one was called Here Comes the Sun. If they have a sale, look for that one if you're interested. It's the Echo Park Outlet. That's where you get the deals. And then one more, and I'm almost positive I have this one, but I love crafting, and boy do I. I like shopping for crafting more than I like actually. Anyway, we know, us crafters love the shopping part. Okay, hang on. There's the stickers. And again, the borders. Love that part. There's paint. Button jar. Crafting is my jam. Very cute. Make pretty things. Oh, here we go. I like this side better. Ooh, I like that. DIY Queen, this page is called. On the other side. Whew, a little busy, but you cut something out of it, it'll be okay. Wonky polka dots. Oh, here we go. I like this better. There's a printer. Flowers. Crafting Queen. Create Beauty. Oh, those are pretty. And a black and white page. That's cool. I have a sewing machine, but I hardly ever use it. But I do have it. There we go. Oh, this is pretty too. I like this. Inspiring words. It must have words on the other side. Yes. Oh. Imagine, dream, happy, sewing. I was like swing. I was like, what? Oh, I like this. This one's called Create Beauty. So you could cut those out. Fussy kid. Those giant polka dots. Really like those. This one's called, oh, it's got journaling cards on the other side. take a snap, mess with my fabric, and I'll rip your seams out. Whoa. That's funny. Make pretty things. That's right. Let's do it, people. Maker's Gonna Make is this page. I really like that. That's really pretty. And, oh, Eat, Sleep, Craft, Repeat. That's right. Crafting Queen. Crafting is always a good idea. So in love. Oh, like this one's pretty. And this one's called Crafty and Happy. Oh my gosh, look at all that. Very pretty. I love their floral pages. Very pretty. Oh, this is fun. Look at this. A painting page. This one's called... Oh, it's got journaling cards on one side. There's a coffee cup. Don't drink your caffeine. We have crafts to do. Oh, drink your caffeine. I was going to say, don't drink it. I'm so crafty. I sweat glitter. Been there. Pinned that. Oh, cute. Oh, those are great. All right, so that is my mystery box, $35 mystery box from Echo Park. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye.